Hello, I'm Gwen with Rocket City Tax Accounting. In this video, I'll review one of the many QuickBooks or tax return projects I've completed here on Upwork. You'll find other project videos in the portfolio section of my Upwork profile. Unfortunately, I can't show you my clients' actual QuickBooks accounts or tax returns because I must protect their confidentiality. Instead, I'll walk you through the client's problems and my solutions using a slide presentation. This QuickBooks project was for an oral surgeon who was setting up her first office. She opened the periodontics and implant dentistry practice in early 2021, and her practice is located in an affluent area of a southeastern U.S. major metro area. When she opened this office, she was still working part-time as a 1099 contractor for another periodontics and implant dentistry practice. I helped the client set up the books for her new practice and also clean up the books that she had already been maintaining for her 1099 contractor position. Yes, she did need to have that in QuickBooks because not only did she have income as a 1099 contractor, but she had expenses for which she was not reimbursed. So she was tracking all of that in QuickBooks. But accounting was not her forte, so there was some cleanup involved. In 2023, she bought the 1099 practice, or the practice that she had been working at as a 1099 contractor. And currently I am maintaining the books and processing payroll for both offices or locations. The annual gross income of both locations is over $2.5 million. Next steps. If you'd like me to help you with your QuickBooks project, the next step is to book a discovery call today. If you're an Upwork client, you need to message me on Upwork and I'll send you a scheduling link. Until you hire me, all communications must go through Upwork. All other clients, you can go to gwenharrison.com to access my online calendar. Or you can use the button below.